So I'm going to go over again some important information regarding your candy package assignment, specifically designing digitally your candy package. If you open up a PDF and it's on a letter-sized piece of paper, you can just print it out and then start working on designing everything by hand. But a lot of people want to do it digitally. So this is how you do it. We've talked about it in class, but I'm going to go over it again. So to start off with, you create new and you use these values. So 2550 by 3300. Now that's going to be portrait style. If you wanted it landscape style, you would just flip these two values. There you go. I have a portrait style letter size, a template for you that you're looking at now. So there's nothing there. That's why you see the checkered background. That's showing you that it's transparent at this point. But you then would go and get your images. The very first image that you need to go get, your first layer should be your geometry net or your pattern. And so this gives you some information, just kind of tells you where it's located in the image. I am just going to make it larger. Now, resolution is very important in regards to photo editing software, and that may be the case with you. You may get your image and it's just not high enough resolution. Then if that's the case, you just need to go find another one. If you look at it, Control plus will kind of zoom in, Control negative will zoom out. It is low res. I really should have a higher resolution image, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go with it. So we have our template. That needs to be your very first layer. Then you need to start, I'm assuming for this video, we're assuming that you have gone online, you've saved your images to your downloads folder, and you have them labeled there, named properly so you know what they are and how to find them. You can save them anywhere. You don't have to save them to your downloads folder. I always recommend that you save stuff to your OneDrive because it's a good place to keep things organized. I'm going to go get 2 more images that I've downloaded just for this video logo. I'm going to place it wherever. I'm just going to put it like on the top of this. This is the object that it will create, the pattern, the geometry net. And then just this multiply blend mode just helps it take that white background and kind of takes it away. So there we go. We have that arranged. But you may have lots of different layers, and that's okay. That's the point of what, that's what you should be working on for this assignment. You need to be working on designing it, getting everything arranged. That is the objective of the assignment. So again, I'm applying the multiply blend mode, and let's say we want some text. I'm just going to keep this one very simple. And with this text, you can arrange. I think it comes, everything you can imagine is real. Okay. I'm just going to say test. And then I'm going to make it center aligned. I'm going to make it green. And I'm going to make it bold. And I'm going to make it a lot larger. So as you can see, there's lots of options that you can use for this. So anyway, those are just 3 layers, see? But you're going to need to create lots of different aspects and elements to it. Going to go and create your design. You are going to print it out eventually. In color is what I would hope for you to do, which means that you're going to have to probably print it out at your house because I do not have a color printer. So, again, that's why you need to get busy and get to work and even test it out and try it out, because it might not work out perfectly the first time that you print it out. Make some changes, make some tweaks, get it printed out, and then you can cut it out and start assembling your candy package. Also, you need to be thinking about other aspects like additional tabs or a way to open and close your candy package. You have to be able to get your candy out. You know, people want to access their candy, right? So you are thinking about all of those aspects when you are designing this, and by the end of the project, you should have all of that resolved and included in your final candy package. That is the objective.